Hello and namaste. My name is Brandon Foltz, and I teach statistics and other mathy things here on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and ring that bell for more. In this problem walkthrough, we will continue reviewing linear equations to prepare you for linear regression. I know your time is valuable, so let's go ahead and get started. A specialty cleaning company charges an equipment fee and an hourly labor fee. A linear equation expresses the total amount of the fee the company charges for each session. That is y equals 50 plus 100x. So y equals 50 plus 100x. Now it tells us in the prompt that they charge an equipment fee right here and an hourly labor fee. Now, look at the equation. Which one is which? So what changes? Well, the hourly labor fee, that's what changes over time. So this right here, the x, will be our independent variable. And in this case, it's time. It's hourly time. And then this 50 here, that's going to be our equipment fee. And then, of course, y will be our total cost. And this, of course, is our dependent variable because our total cost is dependent on time. It's dependent on how long it takes, how much labor it takes to do this cleaning job. So IV is time, dV is cost. Then we are asked, what is the y-intercept and what is the slope? And interpret them using complete sentences. Well, remember that this is a modified version of y equals mx plus b. That's the slope-intercept form of a line. We can rearrange it to y equals b plus mx. That's what we have actually in our equation. In this case, b is our y-intercept, and m is our slope. Of course, x is our hours. So the y-intercept here is 50, and actually it's a point. Remember, the y-intercept is where x is 0. So it's a point 0, 50, and then the slope is 100, or 100 over 1. Remember, we could rewrite that sort of in real-world terms. Our slope is dollars per hour. So in real life, the slope is dollars per hour. In this case, it's $100 per hour. And then the intercept is the initial fee to get started. So we walk into the cleaning company and we say, we have this thing we need cleaned. Well, before they do anything, they're going to charge $50. And then depending on how much time it takes to clean that thing, it's going to be $100 per hour. If it takes 1 hour, it will be $50 plus $100 for 1 hour. And of course, that total cost will be $150. Okay, so that wraps up this video. Before you go, please check out some of the other content I have here on my channel. That being said, I appreciate you spending some of your valuable time with me. I wish you all the best in your work and in your studies, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.